Hello, all right? I'm Joyce. And today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Folifort before you buy this product. I also have some very important alerts for you. So pay close attention to this video. The first point of attention is care with the website on which you will buy the product. Because today, the Folifort is marketed only on the official website. And with that there are many other sites that are counterfeiting Folifort, so you need to be careful not to end up losing your money or harming your health. And to help you, I left the link of the official website of Folifort here below in the description of the video for you access. And now I'll tell you what Folifort is and if indeed Folifort works. The Folifort is a potent natural supplement that supports the health of your hair. And yes, today Folifort is a product that works and has helped thousands of people. And inside it has a very powerful formula that will act improving the health of your hair. The Folifort, it will end with the fall of your hair. Gives the growth of your hair. Improves the health of the scalp. Keep your hair healthy, hydrated, strong, bulky and shiny. All this because today, Folifort has in its formula a combination of selected ingredients that really act on the health of your hair, leaving it very beautiful. There are even a lot of people who are satisfied with Folifort's results, and you can see these testimonials from real people on the official Folifort website. And why does this product work? Because within its formula you will find the FOTI that promotes hair growth and reduces baldness. A biotin that accelerates growth and decreases hair loss. Selenium. Zinc. Keratin that promotes the health of the strands. Collagen. And also hyaluronic acid, which is beneficial for the scalp, moisturizes the strands, and makes it healthier. And among many other totally natural products, which are fundamental to promote all the benefits cited here in this video. Another very important thing you need to know is that Folifort has a warranty, so you can test the product, and if it doesn't work for you, the owner of the product will return all your money. Then you take no risk whatsoever. Remembering that, for you to get a result you also need to do the correct treatment for at least 6 months of use to be able to see an expressive result. And how should you use? You will take 2 capsules of the Folifort every day, and without interruptions. The Folifort, it actually works, it has GMP and FDA approval, and has a proven effectiveness. If you want to taste the Folifort, just be careful with the site so you don't end up falling for scams, lose your money, or damage your health with counterfeit products. To help you, I will leave here in the video description, and in the comment, the official website of the Folifort manufacturer with warranty for you access. I hope I helped you. A hug.